Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joining me now for even more. We just saw the piece there with our Rebecca Jarvis and Matt Gutman. Alexis, prices continue just to skyrocket. Any relief in the near future? And if so, how do you define near future?
Right, exactly. We all want to know. It's hard to say. You know, gas prices had been a bright spot. At least last month, we were getting some relief at the gas pump. And now, of course, we see prices trending higher again, especially in the wake of OPEC's decision to cut production. So you saw in that Matt piece that gas prices are now trending higher. On the plus side, though, we are getting reports that housing prices are coming down from those near record highs. And some analysts are now saying those prices could fall another 10 to 20% over the next year. That would still only get us back to where we were about a year and a half ago in terms of home values. But of course, it's costing you more now to finance that home. Mortgage rates now sitting at a 20-year high, closing in on 7% for a 30-year fixed. We also have commodities prices. We're not talking about that a lot, but they're usually an indicator of inflation. They're starting to come down. We're seeing prices of gold coming down as well. So all of those things hopefully going to be good news in the weeks and months to come, because we all need a little relief from these high prices, Kira.
Indeed, and inflation is near historic highs now. So where do you think Americans are feeling it the most?
Well, as you saw in those pieces, it's really across the board. Food prices up 13%, rent up more than 6%. If you're in the market for a car, new or used, you're paying more, about 9% more than this time last year. And just about every aisle of the supermarket, you're going to be paying more. This is a huge burden for most families, now paying nearly $450 more a month just for the basics than they were a year ago.
And JP Morgan, right, the CEO, is now warning that the U.S. is likely to dip into recession in, what, 6 to 9 months? President Biden also spoke out saying that a slight recession is possible. So give us the reality check. What do you think?
All of that is on the table, Kira. Nobody has the crystal ball. The good news is that heading into this rough patch, we had two very strong things going for us. Strong consumer spending was one of them. We had a strong housing market. We're starting to see that crack a little bit right now. So in the months ahead, we're going to have to see if consumers start to cool down. We also have a very strong job market with unemployment at 3.5%. We did get a report out today showing September retail sales were flat. We're already seeing that people are changing their buying habits. And as we move closer to the holidays, it'll be interesting to see what people are going to be spending on and how much they're going to be spending. The hope is that if we do fall into a recession, it will be a mild and quick one.
All right. Well, millions of Americans' Social Security benefits are also set to increase. You've talked about this, more than 8% in annual cost of living adjustment, right? The largest since, what, 1981? So right. Help us just in this fight against inflation. What does it all mean? Will it help us?
Well, it's certainly going to bring a little relief to seniors 65 and older. There are about 70 million Social Security recipients. They're going to be seeing $146 more in those monthly payments beginning in January. A lot of seniors are saying, great, still not going to help a lot with prices higher for just about everything. But, you know, 20% of seniors who get Social Security are actually looking at Social Security for 90% or more of their income. So every extra dollar helps, Kira.
Yeah, it sure does. For a lot of families. Alexis, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.